Welcome to this hypnosis session by the Aurora. This is your time. A moment to turn inward, to quiet the mind, to breathe deeply and return home to yourself. Let's begin by making yourself completely comfortable, whether you're sitting or lying down. Just allow your body to settle. Take a deep breath in through your nose and gently release through your mouth. And again, another deep breath in. And as you exhale, let go of any tension you're holding. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. Let your forehead relax. As you continue to breathe gently, I want you to begin to notice how your body feels right now. No judgment, just awareness. Notice any places holding tension and simply breathe into them. With each breath, you're becoming more relaxed, more grounded, and more present. Now imagine a warm wave of calm beginning at the top of your head, flowing slowly down over your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw, this wave of relaxation moves gently down your neck and shoulders, relaxing and releasing. Flowing down your arms, your hands, all the way to your fingertips. You are safe, you are supported, you are deeply at ease. Now bring your awareness to your chest and heart center. As you breathe in, imagine you're inhaling peace. And as you exhale, imagine you're releasing tension. Breathing in peace exhale and letting go. Allow this wave of calm to continue down through your belly, your hips, your legs and knees, all the way down to your feet. Your entire body is now completely relaxed. You are in a safe and healing space. And now I invite you to imagine your thoughts as clouds in the sky, drifting, floating, passing by. You don't need to follow them. You don't need to solve anything. You're simply the sky, calm, open, and free. You may notice thoughts arising. That's okay. With each breath, you let them float by. There is nothing to fix, nothing to control, nothing to hold on to. You are not your thoughts. You are the calm awareness beneath them. You are the observer, pure consciousness. Wise, steady, peaceful. Now in your mind's eye, imagine a beautiful hourglass in front of you. See the sand gently flowing from the top to the bottom. Each grain represents a moment, a thought, a worry. Notice how the sand only moves through the center. The generous present moment. That narrow space is now. Not the past, not the future, only now. You are here. You are in control of your awareness. And right now, you choose peace. Repeat to yourself silently, I am safe in this moment. I trust the process of life. I am grounded, present, and at peace. I am free. I am worthy. Good. Now I want you to imagine a golden light above your head. This light is warm, healing, and deeply peaceful. It begins to pour gently over you, washing away all anxiety, all tension, all mental noise. Feel this golden light flowing through your body now, filling every cell, restoring balance, rewiring your mind for calm and clarity. With every breath, you anchor this feeling more deeply. This calm, this quiet, this knowing is always within you. You are whole, you are capable, you are loved. Take a few moments now to rest in this stillness. And now, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel your body resting peacefully. Start to become aware of your body. Wiggling your fingers, your toes, taking in a deep breath, and as you exhale, feel yourself coming back. And when you're ready, bring yourself back to the present moment. You can open your eyes or stay here a little longer. Know that you can return to this calm state at any time you choose. It is always within you. You are safe. You are grounded. You are free.